Peanuts have historically been perceived as a void-fill product with many inherent problems. They have static cling, they're hard to dispose of, and don't use renewable materials. Now, Sealed Air, the leader in protective packaging, has solved the peanut problem with Pack Natural Loose Fill, a competitively priced packaging solution that is made from renewable plant-based material. Pack Natural Loose Fill delivers superior protection that is easy on your bottom line. It provides the benefits of EPS, starch, and anti-static loose fill in a single packaging solution. Pack Natural Loose Fill requires no change in packing procedures from polystyrene or starch-based loose fill. No new equipment, no operator retraining. Pack Natural Loose Fill will simplify your packaging operation while delivering the best possible customer experience from beginning to end. No static cling, clean and protective. Pack Natural Loose Fill sends a clear message that your company is environmentally aware and taking positive action towards sustainability. For more information, contact Sealed Air today at 1-800-568-6636 or visit our website www.packnatural.com. Sealed Air. Our products protect your products.